Absolutely no fucking way.
I remember when I lost my mind. There was something so pleasant about that place. Even your emotions have an echo in so much space.
Good morning from beautiful Paphos. We are in Cyprus. So I spontaneously booked this 2 days ago. Sick of UK weather, sick of rain, sick of thunderstorms. So we are in 30-degree, beautiful sunny blue skies. Let's go on an adventure.
So as you probably know by now, I start every day with a workout. If Scarlett's with me and I'm unable to take her to the gym, my workout will usually consist of skipping, shadow boxing, bodyweight exercises like push-ups and pull-ups, and also some resistance band workouts.
We've had our little car delivered to the villa. Time for breakfast.
Here at Lidl.
Lidl?
Yeah.
So this is what healthy breakfast on the go looks like for me. Got salmon, protein bars, bananas, dragon fruit. Woman just came over to the car and said to me, "What a beautiful man you are," and now Scarlett's jealous. Welcome to the Tombs of the Kings, a World Heritage Site.
They call it the Tombs of the Kings, but no kings were actually ever buried here. Only nobles, guardians of a forgotten time. Their stories carved deep into the rock, and now, centuries later, a little girl wanders where history sleeps. Her laughter bouncing between pillars that have stood through storms, wars, and silence. There's real beauty in that. The way new life walks among old echoes, turning ancient dust into living memory. And as I watch her explore these echoes of eternity, I realise legacy isn't about thrones or crowns. It's about moments like this, where the world's oldest stories meet the world's newest heart. The kings may never have rested here, but something far more sacred does now. My daughter's curiosity, her light, and the promise of everything still to come.
Big stretch. Look at our fancy lollies in a box.
They are very fancy.
Next we headed to the NEA Archaeological Site. Here, in NEA Paphos, the stone still whispers stories of gods and heroes. Once the heart of ancient Cyprus, temples, theatres, mosaics, a city of myth and memory. Here lie the mosaics of Dionysos, the villas of nobles, and the whispers of Aphrodite's island heart. Stone columns rise from the earth like memories, the theatre still faces the sea, and above it all, standing through centuries of wind and war, we have the lighthouse, a symbol of guidance, hope, and homecoming.
Here's yours. My friend here also has reptiles. Iguana. Pretty big. What are we doing, mate?
We're going to KFC in the shopping mall.
So we found a mall. Scarlett fancies KFC. We've got a KFC. That's cool, isn't it? Kentucky Fried Chicken Grill. Good morning from beautiful sunny Cyprus. It's another beautiful blue sky day. I fucking love it here. We're off to Mount Olympus. We are gonna hike the highest peak in Cyprus today. Oh, what's that?
So as always, a beautiful poolside sunny workout before we get ready for the day. We started our lovely 2-hour road trip into the Troodos Mountains, but nothing could have prepared me for what we were about to find.
Absolutely no fucking way. I just found a chameleon in the road. No fucking way. Hey, little dude. Hey. No fucking way. Oh, look. Scarlett, I found a chameleon. Look at him. That's what I swerved for. We found a chameleon. Oh, that is amazing. Look at him.
So cute. The males are much prettier than the females because the females have darker colours.
Yeah.
And chameleons also have prehensile tails.
Yeah, that they used to climb with.
Yeah.
So this is the Mediterranean chameleon, or chameleon is the Latin name. This is the first wild chameleon I've ever found. One incredible incredible find. So this guy was crossing the road very slowly, and I had to swerve to not hit him. Jumped down, grabbed him. I'm going to move him over the road so he doesn't get killed. What an absolutely incredible animal. Come on, let's let him go. Very slow. Look at this!
High above the coastlines of Cyprus rise the Troodos Mountains, the island's wild heart. Ancient forests, cool waterfalls, stone villages, all clinging to the cliffs. Here, time slows down, and the air smells like pine and sunlight.
We're currently hiking to the peak of Mount Olympus, the highest peak in Cyprus. What have you got? You got another ladybird?
Yeah. Wait, how old is she?
Giant black pine. Let's go.
Let's go.
The size of that. You got what?
I got a ladybird. See, this is my rock flipping stick.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I use it to flip rocks.
Me and Scarlett are at the peak of Mount Olympus, just under 2,000 metres. Have a look at this. In the last 9 months, Scarlett has been on top of the highest peak in St. Lucia, the 3 highest peaks in Cape Verde, and now the highest peak in Cyprus. What have you got to say to your fans?
And I've been to 19 countries in the 2 years.
Yeah, 19 countries.
Yeah.
And you've been to loads of them multiple times. I think you've travelled about 30 times in the last 2.5 years, but a lot of the countries we've been to multiple times, haven't we?
Yeah.
What have you got to say to your people?
I got to say to my people, keep on subscribing.
Today me and Scarlett are off to
The zoo.
We're off to Paphos Zoo. We're going to go play with some animals. Perfect timing. We've come in and there's a bird show on immediately. Let's go see the bird, shall we?
And there's also no other people here.
Haven't seen anyone yet.
This building.
Hi mate. Scarlett was a helper in the bird show. Weren't you, mate?
Yeah.
Oh, mate.
We're gonna see the elephant.
We're gonna go play with the elephant. Go on, you. Oh, get up, get it, get it.
I'm blowing.
She's massive, isn't she?
So this is Shoutout, a beautiful, very happy, very healthy Asian elephant at Paphos Zoo. We spent a bit of time beforehand learning all about Shoutout, where she came from, how she ended up at the zoo, what her favourite food is.
Thank you.
Cheers, mate. Boosh. Love you, love you. Has anyone ever told you you look exactly like an emu? Go on, zookeeper girl.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay.
Hello.
I got 2 big
You got
ones.
2 on you, mate.
This one.
Okay. When you go in,
It's so cute.
tightly.
I'm
Look, you got a baby.
He's on my knee.
Whoa.
You want me?
Oh, that's cute.
My knee.
Sitting with your mate. A massive white African lion. Absolutely incredible. Look at the size of his head.
We spent the entire day at Paphos Zoo, walking around, interacting with as many animals as possible, from opening until closing. We were literally the last people to leave the park.
This is an Indo-Chinese cobra. I've never seen this. What an amazing day at Paphos Zoo. We are literally the last car leaving the zoo. Last people out. No one else here. Quite funny, isn't it?
Yeah.
There's a shipwreck now we're going to go see on our way to get some food. We found this shipwreck, so we've come to watch the sunset behind it. Have a look at this shot I've got on the drone, it's absolutely incredible. Right in front of us. Look at that.
This is Daddy's favourite flower.
Daddy's favourite flower. What is it, little babe?
It's a hibiscus.
That is beautiful, isn't it? Look at that. We are now at the Avakas nature trail, Avakas Gorge.
Avakas Gorge, a cathedral carved by time itself. Towering cliffs rise on either side, jagged and golden, while the cool shadows of the gorge cradle life unseen. Scarlett walks carefully along the winding path, with small hands brushing against ancient stone walls. Obviously, I've got to climb some trees as well.
We are at the Adonis Baths and Waterfalls.
We're hoping to go swimming.
I'm gonna chuck you in, mate.
Daddy, look at this kitten.
Hey, mate. Adonis, the god of love and beauty. So why they got statues of me here?
We're gonna go down there and then I'm gonna swing on the rope. Let's swing, Daddy.
Look.
Hello.
Right, come do it with me, mate. Come on. You gonna do it with me? 2, 1. 2, 1, go! Good morning from beautiful sunny Cyprus. It's another magnificent day. Isn't it, little babe? What are you doing? Tell the people what we're doing today.
We're going to the water park.
We're gonna go play.
Yes.
We're going to go play.
First, I'd like to thank our very friendly and very helpful host of this amazing Airbnb in Paphos, Cyprus. If you'd like to book this beautiful villa, you can do it down below. You'll find the link in the caption of this video. Me and Scarlett had an amazing time, and it's a 5-star recommendation from us.
Love you.
Yeah.
Ready for a fun day at
Aphrodite Waterpark.
Let's go, mate.
Yeah.
This is fucking awesome. Great water park. Cheers, boy. Push.
Over at me, and then I put my elbow on the bottom of the pool. We're having some lunch.
What have we got, mate? We got
Daddy?
Thai food, haven't we?
Yeah.
Thai lunch today, boy. Push.
Goodbye, Paphos.
Goodbye.